dear students, with you Mrs. Minna Raouf, your science teacher. Today we will answer together the final revision sheet for quarter 3. We will start by Unit 9, Lesson 1, what are some physical properties? Number 1, if anything take up space and has mass, the answer will be matter. Is the amount of matter in an object mass? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. To measure the volume of water, you should use graduated cylinder. Graduated cylinder is used for measuring volume. Number 4 is the amount of space that matter takes volume. Volume is the amount of space. The volume of a cube equal length times width times height. That's right. Length times width times height is the volume of a cube. Number 6 is a tool used to measure the volume of liquids. The volume of liquids measured by using graduated cylinder. To measure the mass, you should use band balance. Band balance is a tool that we use to measure the mass of an object. Number 8, we can measure the mass in this question, he talked about the measuring unit. Kilogram is the measuring unit of mass. We can measure the volume of liquids in, that's right, liter. Liter is the measuring unit for the volume of liquids. Number 10, to measure the temperature, you should use thermometer. Thermometer is the tool that we use to measure thermometer. Number 11, which of this is a physical property of an object? Texture, color, all of the above. All of the above. Number 12, which tool can be used to measure the temperature or amount of heat in an item? The same answer, it will be thermometer. Thermometer is the tool that we use to measure the temperature. The volume of a cube, that its dimensions are 2 centimeters. This is the length and width and height. So it will be equal, that's right, 2 times 2 times 2 equal 8. The volume equal 2 times 2 times 2 equal 8. Water boils at, that's right, 100 degrees Celsius and freeze at 0 degrees Celsius. Don't forget this point, that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and freeze convert to ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Put true or false. Color and shape are from the characteristic of matter that you can observe. This one is true. Band balance is a tool to measure the mass. That's right. This is also true. Liter is the unit that used to measure the volume. Yeah, that's right. Liter is used to measure the volume. Water becomes ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Yeah, that's right. Thermometer used to measure the volume. No, thermometer used to measure. Yes, thermometer used to measure temperature. This is false. Hardness is an example of physical property. Yeah, that's right. The hardness is a physical property. Lesson 2. What are the states of matter? Complete the diagram by the following words: condensation, melting, evaporation, freezing. Okay, now this is a solid, liquid, gas. This is 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. From solid to liquid, this is called, yeah, melting. This is called melting. And from liquid to gas, this is called, yeah, that's right, evaporation. evaporation. And from gaseous state to liquid state, this is called, yeah, that's right, condensation. This is called condensation. And from liquid state to solid state, this is called freezing. This is called freezing. So again, from solid to liquid, it's called melting. From liquid to gas, it's called evaporation. From gas to liquid, it's called condensation. From liquid to gas, it's called freezing. Okay, don't forget that. It shows the state of matter that doesn't have definite shape or volume. So the volume and the shape not definite. It will be gas. The process by which solid changes into a liquid is called from solid to liquid. This is called melting. The air around us, the air inside a balloon is gas. Is the state of matter that have definite shape and volume. So the shape and volume here is definite. So it will be solid state. Example for solid state is air, book, water. Yeah, that's right, book. Number 6 is the process by which a liquid changes into a solid. Liquid into solid. That's right, freezing. Number 7, the state of matter that have definite volume but don't have definite shape. So the volume is definite but the shape is not definite. This is liquid state. The process by which a liquid changes into a gas. Liquid into a gas. This is called, that's right, evaporation. Here we have a 3 picture. He wants to state the following matter. If it's solid, liquid or gas. This is an example. Here, this is what? This is water vapor. So it will be a gas. And here, this is a water. This will be liquid. And this one is a cube of ice. This will be solid. So this is gas, liquid and solid. Put true or false. An ice cube is an example of solid state. Yes, that's right. The ice is a solid. So it will be a true. Freezing. Freezing is the process of a liquid turned into a gas. No. Freezing is from a liquid into solid. Yes, that's right. So it will be false. Number 3, solid state have definite shape and volume. Yes, it's true. Condensation is the process of a gas turned into liquid state. Gas into liquid. Yes, that's right. This is called condensation. Air around us is an example of liquid state. No, air is a gaseous state. That's right. So it will be false. Liquid state don't have definite shape and volume. No, liquid state have definite volume but not definite shape. So it will be a false. Number 7. Melting is the process of a solid turned into a liquid. That's right. This is true. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. That's right. And I told you it's a freeze or being solid at 0 degrees Celsius. Lesson 4 in Unit 9, what are some changes to matter? In this lesson, we talk about the physical change and chemical change. Mention which of the following chemical or physical change. Okay, the first picture here is what is a fire or burning of wood. So it will be a chemical change. Okay, here the boy tearing or making cutting for the paper. Yes, so this will be physical change. This is water and sugar or salt put in the water. This is called solution. The solution is physical change. This is an fried egg. The cooking is chemical change. This is baking a cake, so the baking is chemical change. And here, this is a folding paper. The folding paper is physical change. This is a mixture, and the mixture is physical change. And this is iron nail, but it rusts, so the rusting is called chemical change. So remember that mixture, solution, folding paper, cutting paper, or breaking something or cutting something, this is examples for physical change. But cooking, baking, rusting, and rotten, this is example for chemical change. Put true or false, burning of food is a chemical change. This is true. Melting of ice cream is a physical change. That's right, melting is a physical change. Melting, freezing, condensation, and evaporation, this is all called physical change. We use magnets to pick up matter that contain of iron. Yes, that's right, so it will be true. Cutting paper into small pieces is a chemical change. No, it's a physical change, so it will be false. Mixture is a chemical change. No, I told you that mixture is physical change, so it will be false. Choose the kind of matter all stays the same. In the physical change, the kind of matter all stays the same. Number 2, a mixture in which all the substances are evenly mixed, this is called solution. Number 3, a change to can be either physical or chemical. A change to matter. الماتر هي اللي بيحصل لها physical change or chemical change. Is mean become evenly mixed. Dissolve mean become evenly mixed. A change that occurs when a matter change and a new kind of matter are formed, this is called chemical change. So the physical change stays the same, but the chemical change, a new kind of matter are formed. Is an example for physical change, cooking, cutting, burning, so it will be a cutting. Number 7 is an example for chemical change, rusting, folding, evaporation. So that's right, rusting is an example for chemical change. A magnet picks up a matter that contains iron. That's right. Today we finished answering the sheet of Unit 9. See you in the next session. Bye bye.